You're going to have a lot of fun today. You're going to not only have a go at designing and building a hovercraft, but you're also going to have a go at working in a team.
Now, the Design and Build of a Hovercraft in a Day event is one of many events that we run at Bradford University School of Engineering, Design and Technology to raise awareness about careers, exciting careers, and just the whole area of engineering, science, design and technology.
Your challenge today is to build a hovercraft. This hovercraft should be able to carry a load of 1,000 newtons.
The aim is to make it a fun, interactive project which shows students that engineers use physics, use science, use mathematics in a fun way to design tangible products, like a hovercraft.
And you can have your hovercraft any shape that you like, but it has to be 1 square metre. So you're going to have to do a few calculations and work out what shape you can have.
Today is really not about us talking to you, it's about you doing. By the end of the day, you will have worked in a team, you will all have built hovercraft, a fleet of hovercraft, and we will get some results by the end of today.
Who's going to do the drawing then?
There are two main elements that we want to achieve really by this event, and one is to raise awareness of engineering, design and technology, give them a hands-on taste of it, make young people see engineering and science in a different light and actually have a real experience of it themselves by working in teams to design and build it. If it's a hovercraft today, another day it might be designing and building a model of the Millennium Wheel, and then to go away and to have actually enjoyed it and have had fun themselves.
Pyramids. Alright, good point. Alright, okay, that's quite a good idea. And then when you got some good ideas, have you got any ideas?
The reason we've done it is because it's National Science Week, but also because we're a technology college, and what we try to do is to introduce children to different forms of technology, help them to get an interest in technology. The hard work has been making the contact with the other schools and getting the other schools to come in, because it's very difficult to find a sort of point of contact in a school the size of these schools. But it's just been, you know, we've been working on it now for 2 to 3 months. So you just plug away at it until you get the answers you want.
It's extremely hard work. It's quite time consuming. You have to get all the equipment together. You have to make sure you've got the right sort of equipment. There are health and safety issues. You need to put in a lot of time and a lot of background work.
Very nice.
Well, we keep fine-tuning it. For example, we started off with a vacuum cleaner motor as the power source, and now we're using leaf blowers. And we've also introduced a nice little creative element to it where we get the students to adopt a team role type. So somebody will be a team leader, somebody will be communications manager, somebody will be design engineer and so on. And this afternoon they'll be given plain white t-shirts. They'll be asked to think of a name for their hovercraft and to design a logo and to decorate their hovercraft and their t-shirts. That usually goes down really well, and that's also developing their talents in sort of creativity and design as well as communications in their teams.
30 minutes left of construction time, 30 minutes before the great race will begin. Work together?
Well, we started off a bit bad, but then towards the middle we got quite good, and then we finished it early.
Do you feel confident about the performance of your hovercraft?
Kind of.
What's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel, and what's your hovercraft called, Daniel?
Super Sport.
Come on!
team today, and the last minute working, it was really hard. We had to really put all things together, and it was really fun.
I've enjoyed it, definitely, and I've got some new experiences. What I enjoyed most was working in a team and building these shirts and decorating the hovercraft, to making hovercraft which I've never done before.
I think we needed some more time, but we still won.
It has made science a bit interesting because you can do so much with, you know, with air and pressure and force. So like hovercraft, if I had known how to make a hovercraft, I would want to make it again.
Because I didn't know that science is much interesting, you know, making stuff like hovercraft and everything.
I like both subjects. I like all academic subjects, but I enjoy maths most because we've got a brilliant teacher.
Now I know how physics is more important and how it can be fun.